Hey guys, this is me, Nainu Thomas from TIJU'S Academy. Do you know what is an error-free sentence? An error-free sentence is a sentence that is absolutely free of mistakes. 60% of your sentences should be error-free to get a band 6, and in order to get a band over 7, 100% of your sentences should be free of mistakes. An ideal sentence should not have these following mistakes. First, spelling mistakes. The marking criteria says spelling mistake is everything, so be careful while writing words. Second, punctuation errors. Punctuation marks shows good grammar as well as good writing flow. Placing of punctuation marks such as comma and full stop are very important. They should be placed after the last letter of a word with a space after. And do not forget to start a new sentence with a capital letter. Third, tense errors. Let's see a sentence for an example. We were on the way to school. Suddenly, the sky turns dark. Here you can see that were is past tense and turns is present tense. So the verb tense is inconsistent. So watch out for tense errors while constructing a sentence. For more such videos, follow TIJU'S Academy.
Join TIJU'S Academy. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.